Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more less review. The ROG Phone 9 will be available in two color options, black and white. The smartphone will run on one of the most powerful chipset, which is the Snapdragon 8A Lite, with the additional support of an octa-core CPU, delivering the highest performance. And for graphics, there will be an Adreno GPU. Asus claims that the ROG Phone 9 will be the most powerful flagship gaming phone on the market, with 512 GB and 1 TB of memory and high refresh rate of 165Hz. The black version of the phone includes a light display matrix on the lower part of the back cover with 6.78 inches big screen size. The Asus ROG Phone 9 will be equipped with LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display. Means you play game without any issue. The RAM will be two options, 1624 GB. The phone has in-display fingerprint sensor for protection of phone. The battery will be big one that gives you the backup of the entire day on just one charge with a rapid charger. And front facing camera will be a single camera. That's all for now and thanks for watching.